గైస్, సో ఈ రోజు మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు నిహారిక. మిస్ యూనివర్స్ కాంపిటీషన్లో ఫ్రమ్ తెలంగాణ. షీ విల్ బి ద విన్నర్. సో తన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏంటి అండ్ తను నేర్చుకున్నది ఏంటి తన జర్నీలో అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్ నిహారిక.
Hello.
అండ్ యు ఆర్ లుకింగ్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ and stunning,
Thank
really.
you. Thank you.
And by participating in that, in this, and whatever the journey you are having in your this modeling life, so what are the circumstances you are faced?
I think this has been a very challenging journey because before participating, when we are chosen as the top 7 finalists, we have to go through some training, which includes walking, answering Q&A, communication skills, and a lot of other things. And I have grown so much in this journey because I do not think I would get this opportunity to grow my personality otherwise. But this has taught me a lot of lessons. But I am so grateful that my hard work has paid off, finally being the winner, and I'm really, really happy right now.
And hard work is the most important thing in every genre, and I think you have the more, you have to more concentrate on everything in particular things also. And who will be your trainer for this, like what is the
Yes.
backhand, who are made like?
Yes, no, our mentors are very important, and Miss Prachi Nagpal has been my mentor through this journey. She has taught me everything that I needed to learn to be able to participate and shine on that stage. So I'm very, very grateful to her for all her support, and I've learned a lot from her, to be honest.
And coming to the body things and everything, like you have to maintain some things to, like looking good and everything, and how you will
Yes.
manage that?
So I am into working out a lot. I do a lot of yoga. I'm a certified yoga teacher trainer, and I've done the training course. I also do Pilates and go to the gym. So it's a lifestyle. Basically, you have to keep exercising constantly every day, and also diet is a main part. If you eat clean, then it will show on your body as well as your skin will be clear. So I make it a point not to eat any processed or junk food. I keep it simple, have nice like home cooked meals, and yeah, that's how I'm maintaining it.
And also you are from, as you said, like you are from Simla
Yes.
and participating through Telangana. And what is the difference between like your proper village or state, or from like a difference from that and Telangana?
It is very different. I come from Shimla, which is a small town, and we have very slow living there. And it's mostly around tourism. We don't have such opportunities. So, coming to Hyderabad, it has given me so many opportunities, and I'm very grateful because I've got so much work here, so much opportunities. I won't be doing this today if it wasn't for Hyderabad. So I feel so proud to be representing Telangana on the national level, and I want to give back to the state. And this is my way of giving back by making it proud.
And from Telangana, there are a lot of spices there. And when compared to Simla, like your birthplace, so are you a spice loud person, or
Yes,
like?
in Hyderabad, we have a lot of spicy food, especially biryani. So, the first time I had biryani here, it was very, very spicy for me. But now I'm used to it, and I love eating biryani, dosa, and everything we get in Hyderabad. The food is amazing in Hyderabad, honestly.
And but coming to the footpath, there will be the restrictions too. To
That's
coming to
right.
that, so,
Yes,
like
but like
how
once
you
a
are.
week I can cheat meal. Once a week I can have something.
Okay, okay, that's so nice. And one more thing, like in your journey, you will have the positive things and negative things. What is the positive thing to discuss with others? So, what is the first and ever thing you are feeling like more positive?
The positive message I would give is never stop pursuing your dreams because I could have stopped pursuing my dreams when I did not get into the college I wanted to for fashion.
Yeah.
So that was a setback, but I went through it. Didn't stop pursuing modeling. I still did it, and I made my own path through that. So, and now I am here today as the Miss Universe Telangana, and I really can't believe it because if I would have stopped pursuing from one setback, then I wouldn't be here today. So never stop believing in yourself and always dream big.
Yeah, okay, so nice. And what is the negativity every time, when somebody else or neighbors or somebody have to push you or towards negativity? So, did
Yes.
you face anything like that?
Yes, there's a lot of negativity when it comes to social media. There are comparisons happening between girls. When people are selected as finalists, people start comparing those people, which is not fair. I believe all of the finalists, all the contestants that were there, have their own strengths, their weaknesses. They're all unique and strong in their own way. So it's not fair to compare two people. It's about who works hard and who's lucky and gets through the competition through shining that day. So it's all about that. And if you compare people on social media, it will just lead to uh, mental health issues. So
Yes,
I don't
yes.
think you should do that.
Yes, yeah, that's so nice. And also, like from 96 applicants, seven are the finalists, and from seven finalists, you are three people win that and made the day yesterday. And you have to participate in after 3 weeks, you have to participate in the Miss Universe in the that big stage. So here out of you three who how did you feel who is your competitive?
Um, I believe everyone who's gonna compete in the national pageant is my competition right now because I haven't even met so many contestants that have won from other states. But I am also a strong competition and I'm gonna give them a good fight for it because I am ready to take on any challenge that comes my way and I'm determined that I will bring that crown for Telangana.
Yeah, that's good. And what is your future goal? Like after completing everything, if everything settled down, did you have any interest in movies or anything?
Yes, so I haven't tried acting so far. I haven't tried movies. I've only done modeling. But if opportunity comes, I would love to try it out. And let's see where life takes me.
Yeah, okay, and all the best.
Thank
And
you.
I hope you will be the winner in
Thank
that
you.
big stage.
Dhanyawad.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you so much.